Join me as I take on the challenge of making money online through affiliate marketing, and I'll share every step of the journey with you. If you're looking to make money online, you've probably come across the term affiliate marketing. And for good reason, it's a lucrative opportunity that's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. You don't need any special skills or experience, just a willingness to learn and put in the effort. There are a lot of misconceptions surrounding affiliate marketing, though. Some people think it's a quick way to get rich or that it's only for tech-savvy individuals. But the truth is, affiliate marketing takes work and dedication, just like any other business venture. Another challenge people face is the lack of guidance. There are so many different programs and opportunities out there, it can be hard to know where to start. And let's be honest, some of the information out there is just plain bad. It's hard to separate the good from the bad, and it's easy to get discouraged. But here's the thing, affiliate marketing is a legitimate way to make money online, and with the right guidance and support, you can be successful. So, how do you avoid all the misinformation and get started on the right foot? That's what we're going to cover in this video. So, let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is simply a way of promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales generated through your unique referral link. It's a win-win for both you and the product creator. You get to earn money, and they get to reach a wider audience. There are many different types of affiliate programs out there, from physical products to digital products and services. Some programs offer recurring commissions, while others offer one-time payouts. And then there's the niche, the topic or industry you're promoting products in. Choosing the right niche is crucial to your success as an affiliate marketer. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, you might promote fitness products or services, but within that niche, there are many sub-niches: weight loss, muscle building, yoga, and so on. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about, and that has a large enough audience to be profitable. Here's an example of someone who's achieved significant success through affiliate marketing. Michelle Schroeder Gardner is a well-known affiliate marketer who's made over $1 million in a single year promoting financial products. She started out as a blogger, promoting products through her website, and eventually grew her business into a seven-figure income. Michelle's story is inspiring, but it's not unique. There are many people out there who've achieved similar success through affiliate marketing, and the best part is anyone can do it. It doesn't take any special skills or experience, just a willingness to learn and put in the effort. So, what can you learn from Michelle's story? First, choose a niche you're passionate about, and focus on providing value to your audience. Don't just promote products, provide helpful content, answer questions, and build relationships with your audience. Second, be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing takes time to build, and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Finally, don't be afraid to try new things and take risks. Michelle didn't become successful overnight. She experimented, learned from her mistakes, and kept moving forward. So what are the key takeaways from this video? Affiliate marketing is a legitimate way to make money online, and it's accessible to anyone. It takes work and dedication, but the potential rewards are huge. By choosing the right niche, providing value to your audience, and being patient and persistent, you can achieve significant success through affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What's your experience with affiliate marketing? Do you have any questions or tips to share? And if you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies.